guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will walk you through Figma's new feature, Figma Draw. So let's jump into Figma and get started. Here we have new tools like pen, pencil and brush. Let's try the brush tool. Select the brush tool. You can change color and also switch between different brush styles. Let's try drawing with few different ones to see how they look. You can even create your own custom brush. To do that, just right click on the vector, shape or stroke and select create brush. And that's it. You have made your own brush. Figma also updated the stroke panel. Here you will find the options like frequency, wiggle and smoothness. Next, we have Shape Builder. To use it, select your shapes and double click or press enter to go into vector edit mode. Now choose the Shape Builder tool, hold Alt and click to remove the part of the shape or just click the part to add the shape. You can also select and edit multiple vectors more easily. Choose the tool, draw across the points you want to edit and then adjust them together. Figma also added the pattern fill. Just select the layer, go to fill and switch to pattern fill. Choose the source pattern. Just adjust the tile type, scale, spacing and the alignment. Let's look at the special effects next. First is the texture. You can control the size, radius and even clip it to the shape. Next is noise. You can adjust the size, density and color. And switch between mono, duo and multi-modes for different vibes. Next we have text on path. Just draw a shape or a path and select the text tool and click directly on the path. Now your text follows the shape. You can also get repeat transforms now. With any object selected, choose radial or linear repeat. Then you can change the count and the gap. And finally, Figma now lets you control the anchor point when rotating. Just hover near the corner of the selected shade, you will see the anchor icon. Drag it and change the point and rotate from wherever you like. And you can easily switch between design and draw more here. And that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Figma tutorials. Let me know in the comment which feature you are excited to try first. Till then, keep creating and stay inspired. See you in the next video.